In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your account on Squarespace. Deciding to close your Squarespace account is a significant step, so it's essential to ensure you've backed up any necessary data or content beforehand, as this process is irreversible. Let's walk through the steps together in a way that's easy to follow, ensuring you're well informed every step of the way. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. It's the initial step where all the action begins. Once you're on their homepage, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner. Clicking this will take you closer to where you need to be to start the closure process. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted with a few options on how you'd like to proceed. For a smooth process, click on Continue with Google if that's how you've been accessing Squarespace. This makes the process seamless and straightforward. Following that, you'll need to click on your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your Squarespace account. This ensures you're accessing the right account for the changes you're about to make. Now it's time to get to the nitty-gritty. You'll need to navigate to your account settings. If you're not sure where to find this, look for a link once you're logged in, or you can use https://account.squarespace.com/ to get there directly. Sometimes these interfaces can be overwhelming, but you're looking for a specific section here. Within your account settings, you should find a section or tab labeled Account and Security. Here's where Squarespace consolidates all settings related to your account safety and accessibility. Clicking on this tab will take you closer to our goal. Your next action is a significant step. Clicking on Delete Account. It's indeed a decisive moment, so pause and ensure you're ready for this. Squarespace often updates their interface for a better user experience, so the button or link might look a bit different, but it should be clearly labelled. Surprisingly, Squarespace will require you to reaffirm your identity by logging in once again. Click on Continue with Google when prompted. This extra step ensures that any changes made, especially ones as significant as closing an account, are indeed done by you. Finally, you're at the last stretch, proceeding with deleting or closing your account. Following the confirmation of your identity, Squarespace will usually guide you through the last steps, confirming your intent to close the account and perhaps asking why you're leaving. This feedback is valuable for them, but the most crucial part for you is confirming the closure. And there you have it, step-by-step instructions on how to close your Squarespace account. Remember, this decision is permanent, so make sure you've backed up any data or website content that you might need in the future. Closing your Squarespace account might feel like the end of an era, but it's also a step towards new beginnings. Whether you're moving your online presence to another platform or taking a break from the digital world, knowing how to close your account properly ensures a smooth transition. Safe travels on your digital journey, and thanks for joining me today.